Right, we're at the deepest pool in the world. Deep dive Dubai. Hold your breath with me in 3, 2, 1. Alright, hopefully you found a nice relaxing spot. Took a big deep breath. You're lying down so that your heart rate can be nice and low so you can hold your breath with me the whole way through this dive. We're using the line today to make sure that we're going in a straight line, because if you veer off in this pool, you might bump into someone else, as you can see behind me. Or even scuba divers, which are producing the bubbles that you can see on the right side of the screen there. Okay, so this pool is a total of 60 meters deep. However, today we will only be going around 35 meters. The edge of this tunnel that I'm entering in right now, this is about 20 meters. And a lot of people are asking, how can I handle the pressure on my ears? Isn't it too much? But as you can see there, I'm plugging my nose and blowing out my nose and therefore forcing air into my ears. Whoa, the lights just turned on there. Anyways, back to what I was saying. Pushing air into our ears actually equalizes the air spaces and makes it nice and comfortable. Alright, we've reached the bottom, 35 meters. It's time to head back up. Hopefully you're still holding your breath with me. Oh, looks like I'm running into some line issue. My lanyard's tangled. This isn't good. I'm no longer remaining calm, and now I just want to be at the top. However, I'm stuck at the bottom. Okay, it looks like I've untangled the lanyard. Gave my head a shake there because I can't believe it. I wasted all that time at the bottom. Now I've got to get up, but I cannot rip up really fast because that means I'll burn lots of energy. So I'll continue to rise nice and slow. And if you're struggling to hold your breath, remember, you don't actually need oxygen. It's just the CO2 buildup in your body that is causing you the urge to breathe. So just fight it. Just fight that urge to breathe and you'll be just fine, especially since you're on land. Because the worst that could happen is you pass out and then your body just forces you to breathe again and everything is just fine. Alright, we're almost at the top now. We're rising through the tree section and the house behind me. And what you can actually hear in the background are noises that they play in the water to emulate whale and fish sounds, which is actually pretty amazing because it's super loud and clear while you're under there. It makes it really fun to actually dive this place and hear like these whale sounds. Super cool. Alright, we're almost there. 5 seconds to go. Keep pushing and then you can breathe. 3, 2, 1. Alright, I'm curious. Did you make it? And if you didn't, let me know what time you died at.